Hello everyone, myself Deepak Shah, and today's video is for class 11th chapter 1 sets of subject mathematics. So today's topic is union of a set. Two sets, union of two sets A and B is denoted by A union B. This is the sign of union, A union B, and A union B is the set having all the elements of A or B or elements of both A and B. It means A union B is the set of elements of set A, elements of set B and common elements of set A and B. Let's take example. If set A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B is 3, 4, 5, then A union B equals to all the elements of set A, it means 1, 2, 3, 4, all the elements of set B, it means 5, because 3 and 4 are common, so we write it as one time. So this is A union B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all elements of set A and B and common elements we write only one time. So this is called A union B. Now next is intersection of a set. Intersection of a set. So intersection of two sets A and B is denoted by A intersection B. This is the sign of intersection. This is the sign of intersection. So A intersection B, and A intersection B is the set of all common elements of set A and B. Okay, means we write only common elements of set A and B in A intersection B. Let's take example. Set A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B is 3, 4, 5. Okay, so A intersection B is the set of only common elements. So 3 and 4 are common in both sets, therefore 3, 4 is the intersection of A and B. This is called intersection of set. Then third is disjoint of a set or disjoint set. Third is disjoint set. Disjoint set. If A intersection B means common elements of A and B, set of common elements of A and B is equals to phi. It means there is no element in A intersection B, then A and B are disjoint set. Okay. Then fourth is difference of a set. Difference of two sets. Difference of two sets A and B is written as A minus B, and A minus B is the set of all elements of A of elements of all elements of A which are not in B. Okay, let's take example. A is the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is the set elements having 4, 5, 6 and 7. So, if we find A minus B, then A having 5 elements, B having 4 elements, 2 elements are common. So, these 2 we remove, and remaining elements of set A 1, 2, 3 are the elements of set A minus B. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 4, 5, 6, 7. So, common elements we remove. So, remaining elements of set A is the set of A minus B. So, this is called difference of a set. Now, exercise 1.5. Exercise 1.5, question number 1.4, question number 1. Find the union of the following. There are 5, 6 questions. We take any 2 questions. First question is x equals to 1, 3 and 5 and y equals to 1, 2, 3. So, union of x and y. Union means all elements of x, all elements of y and common elements we write only one time. So, all elements of x 1, 3, 5, union 1, 2, 3. So, 1, 2, 3 and 5. Common elements we write only one time. So, x union y is 1, 2, 3 and 5. Second example, second question is A equals to x is to x is a natural number and multiple of 3, and B is the set of x is to x is a natural number less than 6. Okay, these 2 are in set builder form. So, we first change into roster form. Set A, natural number and multiple of 3. Natural numbers are starting from 1 and all the multiples of 3. It means 3, 6, 9, 12, dash, dash, dash. This is the set A, and set B is a set of natural number less than 6. So, less than 6 natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we find A union B, then we write it as 1, 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 4, 5 and all multiples of 3. All multiples of 3 means 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. So, this is called A union B. Now, next question, question number 2. Question number 2, let A equals to AB and B equals to ABC is A is the subset of B. This is the sign of subset. A is a subset of B, and what is A union B? So, we have to find that A is a subset of B or not, and then what is A union B. So, first A is the set having element A, B, and B is the set having element A, B and C. So, all elements of A are the elements of B also. Therefore, A is subset of B. Yes, this is true. Now A union B, we have to find A union B. A union B, A set is A B and B set is A B C. So A union B is the set of A B C elements, and we also write it as B because B is the set having element A, B and C. So A union B equals to B, okay, and A is a subset of B. Now question number 4th. Question number 4. A is given as 1, 2, 3, 4. B is given as 3, 4, 5, 6. C is given as 5, 6, 7, 8. And D is given as 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there are 4 sets given and we have to find first A union B. So A union B, A 1, 2, 3, 4 union 3, 4, 5, 6. So A union B is the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All elements of A, all elements of B and common elements written in one time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the value of A union B. Now second is A union B union C. It means union of 3 sets. So earlier we find A union B, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is A union B. So we write it as A union B. Union C. C is the set having 5, 6, 7, 8. So A union B union C is the set of all these elements and 5, 6 only one time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is the set A union B union C. Similarly, third B union C union D. So first we find B union C. B union C. B is a set 3, 4, 5, 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So B union C is the set of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Union D is the set of elements 7, 8, 9 and 10. So B union C union D is the set 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is called B union C union D. Now next question, question number 6. Question number 6. If A is given as 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11 and B is the set having elements 7, 9, 11, 13. C is the set having elements 11, 13 and 15 and D is the set having elements 15 and 17. So there are 4 sets A, B, C and D, and what we have to find? We have to find first A intersection B. Now we find A intersection B. So A set is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection B is 7, 9, 11, 13. So in intersection we write only common elements. So in these 2 sets, which are the common elements? Common elements are 7, 9 and 11. So 7, 9, 11 is the set A union A intersection B. Now second is A intersection C intersection D. So first we find A intersection C. A intersection C. Elements of set A are 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and elements of set C are 11, 13, 15. So common elements of A and C is only 11. So A intersection C is 11, and also intersection D. So D is 15 and 17. So A intersection C intersection D is the common element of C and D. This set is having only one element 11, and this set has having only 15 and 17. No common elements are there. Therefore, A intersection C intersection D is the phi set, null set, void set. Now next, third question of question number 6. Third, A intersection B union C. A intersection B union C. So first A intersection. A, it means 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. A intersection B union C. B union C. Union means all elements of B, all elements of C, and common elements we return only one time. Therefore, B C. B having 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15, because 7 and 9 are the elements of B, 15 is element of C, and 11 and 13 are both common elements of B and C. So this is the set B union C. Now A intersection B union C. So in intersection we write only common elements. So which are the common elements? 7, 9 and 11 are common elements in both these sets. Therefore 7, 9 and 11 is the set A intersection B union C. Okay. Now fourth question, this question number 6. Fourth or ninth, there are 10 questions in this sixth question. So ninth, A intersection B union B intersection C. So first we find A intersection B. Common elements of A and B, 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11 are the elements of set A intersection B, and B intersection C means common elements of this B and C. Common elements of B and C are 11 and 13, and union of these two, it means all elements of this set plus all elements of this sets and common elements also. So this A intersection B union B intersection C is the set 7, 9, 11 and 13, because 7, 9, 11 are the elements of this, 11 and 13 are elements of this set, and 11 is common, so we write it as one time. This is called A intersection B union B intersection C. Now next, question number 9. In question number 9, we have to find difference of sets. A is the set having elements 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. These are the elements of set A. Set B 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. Set C 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. And D is the set having element 5, 10, 15 and 20. So there are 4 sets given. First we find A minus B. A minus B means all elements of set A, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus set B 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. So A minus B is the set of all elements of set A excluding the common elements of A and B. It means we write it as 3, 6, 9, 12 is common in both, so we remove it. Then 15, then 18 and then 21. So elements of set A excluding this element which is common in both. Okay. So this is the A minus B set. one more question, that is D minus A. We have to find D minus A. So elements of D 5, 10, 15 and 20 minus A. A is the set of elements 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. So all elements of set D excluding common elements of A 15. So remaining elements of set D is 5, 10 and 20. This is called D minus A. So you can easily find all the differences A minus B, B minus C, B minus A, D minus C, D minus A or so on. So this is called difference of set. Now universal set. Next topic is universal set. Biggest set is called universal set. All other sets are its subsets. It means all other sets are smaller sets than this universal set. So it is denoted by capital U. Okay, this is called universal set. And complement of set. One more thing, complement of a set. All elements of set which are not the element of this universal set are called a complement. Okay, just take example, U is a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and A is a set 2, 3. So A complement, if we find A complement, so these two common elements are in U and A. We remove these two elements, common elements, and other remaining elements of U are the elements of A complement. Okay, it means U minus A is the set of A complement. Okay, now exercise 1.5, question number 1. Question number 1, U is universal set. Elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9. These are the elements of set U. A is the element 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is the set of elements 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So first we have to find A complement. A complement means all elements of A which are not the element of U is called A complement. Means we remove these 1, 2, 3, 4 from these two sets and remaining elements are the elements of complement. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 common to both. So we remove it and other elements are the elements of set A complement. Then second is B complement. B complement, all elements of B 3, 4, 5, 6 remove. So 1, 2, 7, 8 and 9 is B complement. Then third, A union C complement. So first we find A union C. A union C means all elements of A and there is one more set that is C, which is having elements 2, 4, 6 and 8. So first we find A union C. So A union C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8 and complement of this set is all elements excluding these 6 elements are not the elements of A union C complement. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Other remaining elements are 5, 7, 9. Okay, this is the set 5, 7 and 9 is A union C complement. Okay. So similarly you can find remaining questions. You can solve remaining questions easily. Now question number 4th, U is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. A is the set 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is a set of elements 2, 3, 5, 7, and we have to find A union B complement equals to A complement intersection B complement. So, first we take LHS A union B, we find A union B. So, A union B means common elements of A and B, and all elements of A and B and common elements we write only one time. So, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 is A union B, and A union B complement means all elements which are not in this we write. So, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 except this 1 and 9 is the elements of LHS, and now RHS. So, first find A complement. A complement means 2, 4, 6, 8 other than these 4 elements 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, and intersection C complement, B complement. So, B complement 2, 3, 5, 7, 1, 4, 6, 8 and 9. So, intersection of these two is only common elements A intersection A complement intersection B complement, 1 and 9 are common. So, LHS equals to RHS. Okay. This is first question of question number 4, and similarly you can also find second question, that is A intersection B complement equals to A complement union B complement. You can solve it yourself. Okay. Thank you.